This is Land Rover 2012 model LR4. I'm going to make a spare key. This is a new one. See, as it's not working, and this original one. Okay, so I'm going to make it the spare key by Lonsdor. Let's see how it's working. So go to the M1 remote. After that, go to the Land Rover. You can choose from the vehicle or from the type. I'm going to type smart key, type 2, add a smart key. Switch ignition is off already. Okay, now switch ignition is on automatically. When device is going to program it, it will be automatically switch ignition on. Okay, okay. Already there is a 2 keys in the car, so here it will be the third key. Press OK. Do you want to program new smart key? Yes. Keep the smart key on your hand. Okay. Press unlock button. Press unlock button. Just follow the device only. Again press unlock button. It's success program it. As you heard the sound. What see now is 3 keys already. Before was 2 keys. So program is success. Program is completed. Okay. So you see the new key. It's going to be work. And the old one also there is. It's going to be work. Thank you guys.